You might have the right makeup products, but what if I told you you're using them completely wrong? Let's break down 5 makeup products most people misuse and how to actually make them work like. Mistake 1: slapping on any primer without thinking. Some primers make your skin worse. Vicks. Oily skin, use mattifying primer. Dry skin, go for hydrating primer. And always let it set for 30 seconds before foundation. Mistake 2: dragging foundation with a brush. That leaves streaks and uneven coverage. Vicks. Dab with a sponge for a smooth, skin-like finish. And build coverage gradually, don't overload your face. Mistake 3: using setting spray only at the end. Vicks. Use it before foundation to prep your base, and again after makeup to lock it all in. Mistake 4: drawing harsh, boxy brows. Vicks. Use short, light strokes that mimic natural hairs. And always finish with a brow gel to hold it in place, no crunchy look. Mistake 5: lining lips after lipstick. Vicks. Line lips first to create shape and stop color bleeding. You can even fill in the lips slightly for longer wear. Even pro products can fail if you don't use them right. Which mistake were you making? Tell me in the comments, backhand index pointing down, and don't forget to subscribe to GlowFix for smart beauty fixes every week. Lipstick sparkles.